Let me guess, you stayed up way too late last night doing absolutely nothing useful. And somehow, here you are, watching a video about sleep. The irony is unreal. Today we are fixing this, because sleep is not just rest. Sleep is the most powerful biological tool your body has, and most people are completely wasting it. The moment you close your eyes, your brain does not rest. It goes into full emergency repair mode. It flushes out toxic waste that builds up all day. Yes, actual toxic waste inside your skull, being cleaned out every night. Your muscles rebuild themselves, your memories get organized and stored, your hormones completely reset, your immune system activates and goes on full patrol. All of this every single night, completely free, while you do nothing. And you have been skipping it for one more episode. But here is where it gets genuinely frightening. When you miss sleep, your brain starts functioning like it is intoxicated. Studies show that staying awake for just 17 hours straight is equivalent to being legally drunk. Legally drunk. Your stress hormones go through the roof. Your hunger hormones completely lose control, so you crave sugar, junk, everything your body does not need. Your immune system weakens, your mood collapses, and the cruelest part, you do not even realize it is happening. You genuinely believe you are fine. You are not fine. Okay, here is the good news. Fixing your sleep does not require expensive products or complicated routines. 3 simple rules. Rule 1, same bedtime every single day. Yes, weekends included. Your body runs on a precise biological clock. Every time you change it, you confuse the entire system. Rule 2, no screens for 30 minutes before bed. The blue light from your phone literally signals your brain that it is midday. Your brain believes it completely and refuses to prepare for sleep. Rule 3, cold room, dark room, no exceptions. Your core body temperature needs to drop to trigger sleep. Make it easy. Be the human burrito you were born to be. 7 to 9 hours every night. That is not a lifestyle choice. That is a biological requirement your body cannot negotiate around. Tonight, phone down, laptop closed. Let your brain do what it has been trying to do for you every single night. You will wake up sharper, calmer, stronger, and honestly, a little bit superhuman. Like this if tonight is the night you actually go to bed on time. Subscribe for more science that changes how you live. And please, go to sleep. You have earned it.